Leica Geosystems takes precision to new heights with Leica alpinePRO, the software solution that works seamlessly with our 3D machine control system for snow management. Perfect for maintaining slopes or building snowparks, Leica alpinePRO delivers real-time snow depth insights by capturing data on the go with our advanced 3D snow management system. The data is instantly transferred to alpinePRO for powerful analysis, giving snow managers the insights they need to make quick, data-driven decisions for efficient snow production, slope preparation, and maintenance. Create detailed reports, map resort areas, calculate snow volumes, and track slope usage by machine. All with Leica alpinePRO. The system integrates effortlessly with other Leica Geosystems solutions and third-party programs, making it your all-in-one hub for snow management operations. And with the Leica alpinePRO mobile app, you can stay on top of updates and reports wherever you go. Precision meets action to deliver unmatched results on every slope. Discover the potential. Elevate your slopes with Leica alpinePRO.